How to fix VPN connection problem in Super VPN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Super VPN's VPN connection problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll actually check our Wi-Fi connection. For that, simply bring down your control panel and check for your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is working just fine, but your VPN is not working, what we can do is we can actually head over to our settings. Then scroll down till you find General, tap on General, and then simply scroll down until you find iPhone Storage. Tap on iPhone Storage and search for Super VPN. Now what we'll do here is we'll simply offload this app. So find Super VPN, tap on offload and offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall it back again, and then your problem should get fixed. If that does not fix your problem, what we can do is we can actually head over to our settings and we'll try to reset our network settings here. So for that, head over to General again and scroll down all the way. There you should find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and there you will see Reset option. Tap on it and there you should see Reset Network Settings. Simply tap on that and reset all of your network settings and then restart your device. After that, your Super VPN should work just fine. And that's basically it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.